for our next plate, we will try to transform orthographic drawing to isometric drawing. So on the left side, this is the isometric orthographic drawing. I mean orthographic drawing. So we have the top view, front view, and then the right side view of the object. Now let's start with the title block. So for the title block, same standard. Meron tayong borderline, and then after this, may name sa baba, kompleto ang details. And then we will divide our drawing paper into two. And then yung sa left side, ito yung orthographic natin. Sa right side, ito yung magiging space for our isometric drawing. So sa orthographic drawing, kumpleto ang detail natin. Merong overall, merong detail dimension and then overall dimension. Pag sinabi nating detail dimension, yan po yung maliliit na dimension. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 4.5 for the total. So ito yung po yung tinatawag nating overall dimension. Arrowhead should be pointed. So nakatapat siya dun. So kung ito yung dimension niya, so dapat nakatapat din dun yung arrowhead nakasagad sa magkabilang dulo. So yan po yung tinatawag nating extension line. Extended siya. So hanggang dito siya. Same din sa ibang ah, dimension. For example, sa part na to, so kailangan nasa taas, nakasagad sa mismong line, ganoon din sa baba, nakasagad. And then, the miter line is always 45 degree because we use the third angle projection ng orthographic drawing. That's why meron tayong miter line dito. Next, we have the right side view. Right side view sa kanan, so ibig sabihin, kapag tinransform natin siya dito sa kabila, kung ano yung kulay niya, okay, madali nating ma-identify. For example, yung front view. This will be our front view, yung color yellow. Pag sabi namang top view, okay, yung tatlong guhit na yan, ito rin yan. Okay? We'll just interpret the position of the object, especially the face of the object. And then also the right side view. Ito, pag sabing right side view sa kanan, kanang bahagi ng object, okay, this is the right side view. So ito yung nakikita kapag nasa right side tayo. Kapag naman nasa front yung object, nandito tayo nakaharap, so ang kita lang natin is front view. And then, kung gusto nating project yung tatlong view ng object natin, yung pinaka-cardinal views, we use isometric drawing. So sa isometric drawing, it shows or represent three-dimensional views of an object. So kita natin dyan yung length, yung width, even the height of the object, makikita po natin. And we also use orthographic drawing to produce isometric drawing. So this will be the basis of our isometric drawing, always, the orthographic drawing. Kasi sa orthographic drawing, aside from it has a measurements, nandun yung detail niya, nandun yung length, nandun yung width, nandun yung height ng object. And then, susundan lang natin yung dimension and then ita-transform natin siya into isometric drawing. So, do not forget to label our drawing. This is orthographic drawing, palagyan sa baba. Sa kabila naman, this is isometric drawing. So, if you want to color your drawing, much better. Para at least, alam natin kung nasaan yung front view, nasaan yung top view, even the right side view of our drawing.